If Steam is showing error 92, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This is a quick troubleshooting method that often helps when Steam has connection issues, login problems, or cache-related errors. We'll go through the exact settings you need to change inside Steam, and then I'll show you the final steps that can help you get back into your account. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss the next guide. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is running, look to the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. This is where we can access the network and download options that may be causing the issue. Inside the Settings menu, find and click Downloads. The Download section contains important options that can affect Steam's ability to connect properly, download content, and verify your session. One of the first things to check is your download region. If the current region is having problems, Steam may not connect the way it should. Click the download region setting and change it to a different nearby region. Try to pick one that is close to your actual location, but not the exact same one you were using before. After changing the region, the next step is to clear Steam's download cache. You should see a button labeled Clear Download Cache. Click that option and confirm if Steam asks you to proceed. Clearing the cache can remove temporary data that may be interfering with Steam's normal connection or login process. This is one of the most effective fixes when Steam is acting up, especially if the error started after a recent update or network issue. Once the cache is cleared, Steam will usually need to restart. Close Steam completely and then open it again. Make sure it fully reloads before you try anything else. This restart is important because it helps Steam apply the new settings and reconnect with a clean session. Now, if you are using a VPN, disable it for the moment. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Steam servers and cause login or connection errors like this one. If the VPN is on, turn it off, then wait a few moments so your network connection can stabilize. After that, try logging into Steam again. At this point, Steam should have a better chance of connecting without the error. Go ahead and test your login or the action that was failing before. If the problem was caused by a bad region setting in, a corrupted cache, or a VPN conflict, these steps often solve it right away. If you're still having trouble, double check that Steam is fully updated and that your internet connection is stable. You can also try restarting your PC and opening Steam again after the reboot. In many cases, a simple combination of changing the download region, clearing the cache, and restarting Steam is enough to fix the issue. So to quickly recap, open Steam, go to Settings, open Downloads, change the download region, clear the download cache, restart Steam, disable any VPN, and try logging in again. That's the full fix for Steam error 92, and it should help you get back into Steam much faster. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.